Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome back to the Bonk update today. And Bonk has been doing something very silly, and I think that you've actually broken above here and you literally came down very quickly one more time. Now the question is Bonk still good to continue to go up, or is something bad coming up again? We're going to talk about that very soon, but before that I just want to motivate you for for this private thing that I'm talking about. We have 6 more days to close. In August alone, I've actually managed to win 41% on Luna Classic, 20% on meme, and Pepe 25%. So this has been really good. Okay, so nearly 70%. And imagine how bad the market was. Even after a bad market, still 70%. Let alone when the good time actually comes, you will not even imagine how good of profits I'm actually planning to get. So 6 more days. Just comment Discord if you want to be a part of the private and pay for it. And also, yeah, that's pretty much it. Just comment Discord, I'm going to give you the invite link. Now back into Bonk. Bonk has failed to do one thing but has been successful to do another, right? So what does that mean? It has failed to retest successfully here. Okay, you've broken up above that resistance and you failed, but you have been successful to break this resistance and retest it successfully. So that's one thing. And after you have pushed down like this, maybe, just maybe, it could be an opportunity to probably buy again, because you have made a bull cross and you have just come down to retest the EMAs, and you're bouncing off the 20 EMA at the moment. Okay, so the intention is actually there. I do see a little bit of intention for Bonk to actually come and actually move to the upside. If I check the RSI actually shows that there's a little bit of nice good buying pressure as well, and we might actually start to push back up again and try to break this pattern for good and continue to go even higher, and probably higher to 2822 right over there. That's what I actually see. Let's see what happens in the next coming few days. And of course, even on the 15 minutes, I actually may say that checking 5 minutes time frame is going to give a little bit of more confidence. So we're trying to also break above something. So it seems like we do have this little bit of another pattern here that is also breaking out of. So it's almost as if you have a very small mini pattern that takes you from there to there and pushes you up to 2156. And one more thing is also on that mini 5 minutes. This is funny, but actually very useful. You have another pattern and you've broken out of this pattern as well. So you're doing pretty good on this 5 minutes time frame. And yes, 5 minutes does work when you're actually doing scalping. So on the 5 minutes, I actually do see an incredible scalp opportunity of 2.49%. Hooray! Okay, just win that. Come on, that's $25 if you're trading with $1,000, I guess. $25, I think it's not bad. Come on, $25 isn't bad. I mean, you can have a steak or something, you can have fries, you can have a burger. It's not bad. Come on, don't make fun of 2.5%. So that's all for the video, and I'm going to see you the next one. Love.